Getting ready to prepare my Easter pie for my family for Easter in the tradition of the Italians, and my grandmother Iacona used to make it, as did my Auntie Celeste, and of course my mom, and that's where I got it from, my love for Easter pie. This is a different recipe this time. I tried to get my Auntie Celeste recipe, but unfortunately the file was corrupt from 2011, so anyway, I'll give this a try. Right now I'm putting rice, or burrito rice, in a pan with whole milk and vanilla and lemon peel. So I'll give that a stir for a few minutes and come back. Okay, so after 20 minutes, the rice, the arborio rice and milk is kind of sticky. It has lemon peels in it and a little pinch of salt. So it's ready to go cool off a little bit, and it's ready to start looking good and tasting good in the pie. So there it is. It is my ricotta Easter pie. And it's getting ready to go into the oven, which will be about an hour. So. Well, I'm just opening up the oven. I'm checking it twice, and I'm finding out if it's done or not. So I'm going to give it a little jiggle. Yeah, there's the jiggle. It's about 2 centimeters from the side, and the sides of the rim are nice and tan, nice and golden brown. They look delicious. So now what I do is I let it rest for about an hour, and I dust it with confectionate sugar, and then we try it. Okay, it's pretty much cooled. It's been cooling for about 15 or 20 minutes. I'm just going to lift off the spring pan around the sides. Just lift it off.
Yeah.
Check it out. And there it is, beautiful. And I'm going to transfer it to a beautiful platter. Happy Easter, everybody. I've just finished making my Easter pie, which is a beautiful recipe, a family recipe from the good old days in the Italian families. And unfortunately, the one I had used for many years is gone now, but I did find one that was similar. So this year, instead of a pie crust, I'm using a spring pan with the crust bottom. And it's just beautiful. I just dusted it with some confectionate sugar. It's being displayed on a Mackenzie Child beautiful platter with some decorated eggs that my mom gave me last year, and some absolutely gorgeous daffodils from my garden. So I can't wait to jump in, and I'm going to share a piece with my mom and my husband and my puppy. And we wish you happy Easter, happy Passover for our Jewish friends, and have a great day. Well, I took a bite and it was delicious. I remember my mom would try to experiment with different things when we were kids. And one time she put lemon in the Easter cake, and none of us liked it. But I added a little lemon this time, and it was delicious. Yum, yum. There's Buster. He's checking it out too. Happy Easter.